Hi guys. So today we'll be making a teddy bear cake. So I started by laying my cakes one after the other. I started by trimming. You have to trim to get the shape of a teddy bear so that it will look like a teddy bear. If you are trimming, cut small. Avoid making mistake. You might trim big and you cut a lot of your cake. Like you cut a lot of it. So while trimming, cut small so that you can get the exact size. On your cake, anywhere that is open, like just take a cake that you cut out and fill it. Just fill it so that you have a very fine and nice cake. So as you can see, I applied buttercream to put the leg of the teddy bear, but I noticed that the cake was not okay. It wasn't looking like exactly like what I needed. So I have to go back and trim it. You have to trim carefully so that your cake could be nice. So trim it until you get the shape of the teddy bear and the face of the teddy bear. Like exactly a teddy bear. After that, I have to apply buttercream to the part I want to plate the leg of my cake. So after placing it, I have to remove it because I noticed that I didn't apply buttercream well. After applying buttercream, I have to put skewer for it to hold the leg. I have to use extra skewers to hold it to avoid stories. So as you can see, I've placed the hand. I have to put extra skewers just to hold the hand of my cake. And after that, I applied buttercream to it to hold it. So I now started checking if I will use cake for the ear of the teddy bear, but it didn't work out for me, so I have to go with fondant. As you can see, I have placed the ear of my teddy bear. So the leg, it was looking too small for me, so I have to put extra fondant just to make the leg big, a little long, so that the hand will not cover the leg. So as you can see, I put everything, and I have to take another extra big round fondant to cover the whole leg. As you can see, my cake is forming. The teddy bear is forming. My teddy bear. So after I started applying buttercream to it to concoat. I will advise you to use the same color you use and pipe the body of the teddy bear to use and concoat your cake. Don't make the mistake I made. But after everything, I have to go back and pipe on those, fill those holes so that you will not be seeing them. So my cake is forming, my teddy bear is teddy bearing. So when you pipe, you have to be careful, and this is the nozzle that you use for this teddy bear. This glass nozzle, that's what you'll be using for the teddy bear. So check carefully and pipe carefully so you won't make a mistake. So after, you can see me placing the ear of my teddy bear. Cha-cha, my teddy bear is forming. I had to put the other one. I have to place it like it's fondant. I have to carve it out and place it. As you can see, I'm placing the ear. So after, I have to place the leg as well. So after I placed the nose, you also carve it. Place it carefully so it won't go out. So after, I have to create the eyes of my teddy bear, and you can see me putting it. So I place the eyes carefully. So after everything, you see the outcome of my beautiful teddy bear cake. My clients so much loved the cake. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you all. I love you.